Hello viewers, we'll be going over TQQ and SQQ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis for TQQ. On Friday, it closed down 2.2% on the 1-hour chart. We have the negative MACD, still see signs of it converging, and we are also near oversold on the RSI. As for the 4-hour chart, we start to see signs of it diverging on 4 MACD, still in negative MACD territory, and also near oversold on the RSI. And we did close below the 200 moving average, this green line, which does act as a resistance if we do reverse higher, and that is around a price of $134.45. As for the daily chart, as we progress along, we have the 50-day moving average, which acted as our previous support. However, we did manage to close below that level 1, 2, 3 times, and now act as our resistance if we do manage to reverse higher. And as for the daily MACD, we have now approached to negative MACD territory, and we're off of overbought levels on the RSI. So for the trade idea of the week, what we have here is my position size for TQQ is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $105.94, which is this range right here, which act as our temporary or past support levels that date back all the way to July 8th. So that'll be my long entry there. And that also coincides with the 100-day moving average, this orange line. And for my sell target, that'll be $129.91, and that is this range right there. And that also coincides with previous resistance levels that dated back to August 7th. So that will be my sell target there. As for my stop loss, that'll be $98.80, which is this range right there. As for SQQ, on Friday, it closed above 2.1%. And for the 1-hour chart, we have now approached to positive MACD territory, and we see slight signs of it diverging. And if we expand that further onto the 4-hour chart, we have finally reached to the 200 moving average. So this will act as our temporary resistance to the upside. And for the MACD, we see signs of it converging, and we have not quite hit near overbought on the RSI yet. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, and we are starting to approach to positive MACD territory after being oversold on the RSI. And we also see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. So for my trade idea of the week for SQQ is if we expand out a bit further, for SQQ, my entry will be $23.12, which is this range right there, which coincides with the 9-day moving average, this blue line, and my sell target will be $28.21, which is slightly above where we see the 50-day moving average, the yellow line. And my stop loss will be $21.68, which is this range right there. As for the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. We'll be examining QQQ, which is TQQ is a leverage of QQQ, and SQQ is a inverse leverage of QQQ. So do keep that in mind. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 48% chance for QQQ to climb between 0 to 6.5%. And on the extreme case to the upside, a 4% chance to climb between 6.5% to 13%. And to the downside, we have a 44% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.5%. And on the extreme case to the downside, a 4% chance for QQQ to fall between negative 6.5% to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.